Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen, where we cook authentic African food, African menu, African cuisine, African flavor with all American ingredients. Today we'll be cooking special food, special vegetable from all the way from my Akwa Ibom state. It's called Edikaikong. Edikaikong is a vegetable soup made with two types of spinach or two types of leafy vegetable and soup, and it's really made for lovers. It's made for people to just show you how much they love you when you visit them, or made for their lovers, or made for their family. It's made out of love and it's very rich. Why don't you follow me to my kitchen and let me show you my ingredients, and then I'll start cooking it for you. Today's ingredients, today's menu, today's cooking, be cooking Edikaikong. Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen, where all African menu, African cuisine, African flavor meets all American ingredients. Our main goal here is to make food fun, easy to plate, and not complicated, and to cut the African time short when you cook your food. Today I'm cooking Edikaikong. Edikaikong is from the Rhine area, River State, Calabar people, and the Bibios from Nigeria. That's their own form of eforiro, which is, we Yorubas have the eforiro, they have the Edikaikong. It's the myth is like, when women cook this, they can use it to snatch your husband, because men just love to eat delicious food, and they use this to snatch your husband, which is just a fabule. But growing up, I have a cousin who is Calabar. The father is Calabar, the mom is from my daddy's sister, and they cook this in their house, and it was such a mystery to me till I started cooking it myself. It's a delicacy. So to cook Edikaikong soup, you have to use water leaf and pumpkin leaves, which I don't have, which is the ugu leaf. But yes, I have it. I bought it. I don't have the fresh one. I have to buy it from the African store. So in the United States, I normally use the spinach and the collard greens to give you the texture, because you're looking for the two texture. The water leaf is the soft one, and the ugu leaf is a little bit hard. So today I will be using 3 leaves, which is, I have small ugu, which is frozen. I just defrosted it. This is my ugu leaf, okay? And I have my spinach, and that's my collard greens, which I just put there. So for African food and African sauce, the real deal, which on the left, you have to have your bell pepper, your green pepper, your onion, your garlic, depending on how you want it. But I like to put everything together because my ultimate goal is to eat healthy. So today, I've got some goat meat and some cow skin, and I have different array of fish here. I have the stockfish, I have cow leg, I have a fish, a dry fish, a procured dry fish, shrimp. The chicken I have at home is already procured, and there's nothing I can do about it. And I have the cow stomach, which is is already grilled. It's dry, so I'm going to rehydrate that with the cooking. I have my onion, my habanero pepper, my garlic, okay? And here I have my crayfish, my Cameroonian pepper, my hot pepper, and my ginger. All those things are optional. You just need the habanero pepper and onion. But I like all this because, that's the way I like it, okay? I have my chopped green and yellow pepper and onion here. As you can see, it's blended already. I'm going to use a 1/4 spoon of salt, a teaspoon of bouillon or chicken seasoning to give it the taste, and 2 spoons of palm oil for that. And over here I have the regular beef, which I bought from the store, just a regular steak. I cut it into strips. I realized that to cut the cooking time shorter, you have to, if you cut your meat smaller, you cook it shorter. Not only that, it's better presentation, and my family seems to like it when I cut the meat short. So having said all this introduction, I'm going to go to the sink and wash my meat, and I'll meet you on the stove. Okay, I have the goat meat and the cow skin in the water in the pot. Now let's start seasoning. I'm going to add my onion, okay, my garlic, and my pepper in it. And let it cook for like 20 minutes. I have my half a teaspoon or quarter spoon of salt. Two teaspoons of chicken seasoning. I'm going to let this go for like 30 minutes, and I will add the rest of the meat and the chicken and the fish in it. Okay, it's been cooking for like 30 minutes. I'm going to put my beef. Okay. I'm going to put my water in it. This is going to cook down, because when you're cooking a Edikaikong, you don't want water. But this, I need it to cook down. Okay, this is like 20 minutes into it. I put more water because I want the goat meat to be soft. And I'm going to put my fish in it, and the chicken, because I want it to be rich. Okay, I'm going to let it cook for a little bit, and I'll put my palm oil in it. I've already seasoned it with the bouillon cubes and the pepper. Now I'm going to add my crayfish, my Cameroonian pepper, my regular pepper, my ginger, and my onion. Just because that's the way I like it. You don't need to do all this. You only need your onion and your habanero pepper, which is called yellow pepper in Nigeria. So this has been cooking for more than 20 minutes now. I'm going to put my palm oil in it. I'm putting 2 spoons of palm oil. Okay. This is cooked down. That's oil that you're seeing. So I'm supposed to start with the spinach or the water leaf, which is going to represent by the spinach for me. So I'm going to put that. I'm going to put my ugu leaf, which is a pumpkin leaf. Then my collard greens, which is the option if you don't have ugu leaf, you can use the collard greens by itself. This is a rich soup. Then I'm going to fold that in, after which I'll show you what it looks like. I'll leave it for like 10 more minutes, then voila, the soup is ready. So our Edikaikong is ready. I folded the ingredients and the vegetable in. I'm just going to leave it for 5 minutes, but it's done right now. I just want it to be cooked together to be sumptuous, and I can serve it, and I'll show you how I serve it. Thanks for staying tuned. It's a nice experience. My kitchen is smelling so good. I'm salivating. I can't wait to eat this with a bar. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me complete this and I'll show you how I'm going to plate it. Finally, we've completed cooking the Edikaikong. It turned out to be really good. It's delicious and yummy. Wow. In fact, I'm singing my song. My tummy is hungry. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What is cooking? Yemi's kitchen. I've completed my Edikaikong in Yemi's kitchen. I can't wait to dig into this, and I'm going to call my family. It turned out really well. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Yemi's Kitchen or Yemis.kitchen. Follow me on Facebook, Yemi's Kitchen, on our website, www.yemiskitchen. I hope you try this and try it. Leave a comment, nice comment to tell me if it came out nice the way I have done it. And if it didn't, we can talk about it. Love you, stay blessed. Don't always forget, always look at the cup half full, never empty. Always be grateful, because your attitude determines your altitude. Love you and stay blessed. This is Yemi's Kitchen always. I love you, and please stay with me. Love you. Mwah.